Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add category and subcategories in Shopify. It's quite easy. Right now if I show you my store, this is how my store is currently looking. I wanna add more categories here, like these are 3 categories which are added by default. I wanna add by my own. So for that we just need to get back to Shopify. Just click on the content option. Here click on menus. This is the main menu. You can see that home, catalog and contact category are by default added. You can see here, and just because we want to add another one, you can just click on this main menu option. Now here you have two options. Either you can create subcategories for this pre-existing categories, or you can create fresh new category, and under that you can add subcategories. I would love to add main fresh category, so for that I can just click on add menu item, and I'm gonna name that explore. You can just put the link what should open once the people click on that. I would love to put collection page here, then select all collection and just click this. Now you can just click on save, and once you do that, if we go and refresh the page to see whether the category is added or not, and as you can see the category is added. Now under this main category we're gonna add 2 subcategories, so we just need to follow the same process again. Click on add menu item. Here you need to name your subcategory. I would love to name it main, like this, and just choose what should open once the people click on that category. I would love to pick here main clothing collection. Take this. Again we're gonna add second subcategory which would be for women, and similarly we're gonna choose collection and women clothing. Just take this. Okay, we have 2 subcategories but they are not added in the main category. In order to add them under that, you just need to hold your left click just right here and just drag this underneath of main category like this. Again click on this done icon. Well, you can see that the category is get under explore category, which is our main category. By following the same way, we're gonna put this women category just underneath of main category. Just tick this again, and yeah, you can see that under this main category we have subcategories. First is main and the second is women. Not only this guys, if you wanna add more subcategories under this main category, you can just do that by following the same process, and also you can add more subcategories under this subcategories too. Once you're done with the changes, just click on save. If we get back to store and refresh the page, and yeah, there you go, they have created the subcategories under this main category. So yeah guys, that's exactly how you can create category and subcategories in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.